What is up, my friends out there in the YouTube land? So, today, guess what I'm doing today? I am on my way back to the DMV. So, I'm going to run that intro, and we can get this underway. Yeah, so that intro's getting kind of old. I guess I'm going to have to come up with another one. Figure out something new to, yeah, try and refresh the channel a little bit. But anyway, I digress. Look at me using them big words. So, I am back on my way to the DMV. Yeah. Kind of being a truck driver sucks with all the hoops and everything you gotta jump through to keep your license. So I did a video last year, I'll put it up here somewhere, about going to the DMV to renew my license and have all that fun bullshit. Well, as a truck driver, I have to get a DOT physical. And over the past, I don't know, 5-6 years or so, it has become a requirement for the state of Pennsylvania to have a copy of my DOT physical card. And if they don't have a copy by the time your last card expires, they will suspend or take away your CDL. So, not only the fact that I have to spend hundreds of dollars to get my license, fingerprints, take tests, I have to do a physical, and then I have to go over there and, wow, it's kind of loud. I have to go over there and actually physically hand them a copy of my DOT card or my DOT card so they can make their own copy. So that is my fun thing on my agenda today. And for all my truck driver friends out there, you know exactly the bullshit I'm talking about. After I sit at the DMV for God knows how long, I got to take a ride over to my car dealer and take care of something over there. So it's going to be fun. And I'm sure DMV won't let me film in there, so I'm not going to be able to do that. And normally I would go to the newer DMV because I believe they're faster. But considering I have to go to the dealer, which is out by the old DMV, means I'll probably be sitting there longer than I would be at the new DMV. This helmet, for whatever today, is really noisy. I don't know what the deal is. Like, what is the skinny with that? I don't know if you guys can hear all that noise, but I sure as shit can. I hope it doesn't come out too bad in the video. I hope it's not too awful bad. Let me know. So I guess you can say the riding season is upon us. We've had some decent weather the past couple weeks, so are we getting an early spring? Who knows? Is there going to be a freak snowstorm? Who knows? What the fuck? Stupidity of people is unreal. All the woman had to do was look in the mirror. People are stupid. Oh yeah, they're stupid. That's why when a friend of my bike says, I hate people, that's the reason why. Now let's see if we can find some parking. Oh, there's one. Right there. I'm gonna take that one right there. Oh, there's two right there. Okay. I'll take this one. And I'll pull right through. Thank you. Dun, 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 dun. Ah. Do I have a fucking mask? Do I need a mask? I don't know. Shit. Alright. I'll be back, guys. Well, guys, I am back. And I am pleased to tell you that took like 10 minutes. Tops. Like, that was it. 10 minutes. In and out. Which really surprised me. So, while I was sitting there handing in my physical card to the woman at DMV, woman sitting next to me was telling a story about how she really and truly is a great driver. That her psychiatrist and her doctors and everything else signed off on her license. So I'm kind of glad they got me out of there before that woman did, because I want to be as far away from the DMV as possible when she gets back on the road. It's bad enough I almost get hit on my way over to the DMV. So, yeah. Fun. Okay, that's new. The yards at Malvern. Huh. Wow, that went up quick. I was out here probably about a year ago on this road, and that shit wasn't there then. My gosh. Here's a fun fact. That Toyota dealership right there used to be a movie theater. So anybody's made it this far in the video, I thank you very much. And I really appreciate you guys watching. But this is where I'm going to end it, because I don't know what else to say. Headed to the dealer to get some shit done. I bitched about all my DMV stuff. I bitched about how loud this helmet is today. It seems really loud, and it's good. I'm sorry if it sucks. The audio on this really sucks. I'm sorry. So I am trying to figure out which helmet I want to get next. But anyway, my friends, thanks for coming along for another I would say fun-filled ride, but really hasn't been fun-filled. But anyway, until next time, my friends, y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another.